What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make Holo AI ads fully from scratch, from start to finish as soon as you get your Holo AI subscription. This is going to be a full tutorial with all ads generated and gone through. Let's dive right in. This is the screen we're first met with when we log in after we purchase our subscription. What's your website's URL? For our purpose, we don't have a URL, but we're going to make our brand DNA soon. If you have a URL, input it there. What language should we use? We're going to use English. So keep English selected and click continue. Our business is called Longevity Lotion. We're selling a lotion product that makes you feel the absolute best and makes your skin feel less bumpy within 24 hours. Our niche is beauty and personal care. Let's tell it that mission I just mentioned. The colors we want to include are, let's get a light blue hex for this color. And now let's have ChatGPT generate us a logo really quick. Now we continue, and our brand DNA starts generating. Now we're going to upload the picture of our lotion. We're going to name this one the Lux Lotion, a lotion that gets rid of redness in as little as 60 seconds and erases bumps and dryness for days on end. Save product. So now we continue. Holo AI congratulates us. Woohoo! You made it to the finish line. Yeah. Let's keep going. We're going to press and hold this button below, get transported to the platform. And now we're directed to our home, where we could start by adding products, context, mood board, and so much more. Idea swipes, create animations, variations, clone, concept ideas, and more. In addition, you could chat directly with your Holo AI live assistant. So for our purpose, let's look at the mood board. Let's create a mood board. The style inspo we want is clean and luxurious. Just like this. This gloss modern is exactly the type of example we're looking for, so we put that into Holo AI as our style inspo. Now we're going to save and analyze. Now let's take a look at our context. It seems we have 57% of the core basics, some percent of the market, no brand voice yet, and some visual style. So what we want to work on here is how we speak and who we are. So here you're able to add your social media URLs so we could analyze your direct content. You could put in some brand fonts. You could tell it what colors to use for what and how to use your logo. And you could double down on what you do in your mission, unique values, different than just your mission, as well as extra guidelines that you want to include in all your adverts. When you're doing your brand voice, you're able to include a specific tone of how you want to convey to your audience when you're in the middle of ads or when the AI is actually speaking in the ads. You could use specific words and phrases and combine them here, like luxurious, longevity, lotion. You could also have words and phrases to avoid, like witch and wart. You could put direct examples of good copy here from already winning ads, literally copy and paste their scripts, put that right here, good copy, and you get a bad copy right here with straight examples of just ads that aren't converting. This is how to optimize your usage of AI, by giving it direct examples of information that is good and information that is bad. AI does best with information, and this is exactly how you make the best ads for your website, product, SAS, whatever you may be selling. Now we can take a look at the Inspo tab. The Inspo tab has direct ads that have already been created by Holo AI and by competitors. You can hover over these ads and clone them with your product. So for our example, we'll hover over this base Bio Aqua face mask item and we're going to clone it with our lotion. So it's basically just going to make our lotion in the same format of ad as this. So in the clone, you can add some final details you want to add. So I want to add that this is the spot removing and bump removing magic lotion and select the Luck lotion and now generate. As you can see, the AI works so well, allowing you to generate this content, this exact clone, as many times as you want. You can generate as many clones as you want while you're doing other work in Holo AI. It doesn't let you just focus on that. It lets you keep working while it's creating AI generation. And now let's take a look at our example. Wow, look at this. It branded the lotion. It included what I asked it to include. And all I need to do is a little bit of editing myself or use the text editor inside this to edit and change everything. Inside Holo AI, I have a text editor. I could upscale the image. I could erase things in the image. I could see the layers. I could go to the Holo AI chat and tell it to change things. I could translate. I can make varieties. This tool simply just has so many features. Let's try to make an engaging video. So we have so many options. We have image to video, AI UGC, video clone, script and video, B-roll. Let's make an AI UGC video. So we're going to make an 8-second long video with a young woman unboxing and rating this lotion for how it removed bumps from her skin in her room. And we're going to go to ChatGPT and generate a quick script. And let's create. As we're in progress creating that, we can take a look at the email generation. You can start with a concept that you already have or choose from a template. 36 professionally designed templates that you could choose from. Taking straight from designer brands that have amazing adverts. Porsche, Nominal, Cat Person, Lucid. It truly has amazing references. Let's use Noon. Now we want to include the Lux Lotion and write about how our doctor has specifically formulated this to be the best lotion on planet Earth that can remove bumps and redness from skin in a matter of minutes. Let's continue. Now we have two things generating, our email and our UGC. Let's take a look at our AI UGC.
It was not it. I had these red bumps forever, nothing worked until this. Longevity lotion cleared them up and my skin feels
Wow. Well, clearly the face is incredible. The speaking is incredible. The lotion looks incredible. The only thing that looks a little bit iffy is this scene where she shows her arm and you could see her pants and her shirt very clearly. Besides that, this AI UGC is amazing. And now let's look at the email template. We've got our logo, some images that we would add in, lightning fast results, days of hydration, erase bumps and textures. It clearly exemplifies your main points and puts it into an easy email with even a special launch offer to get people to click and go on your website and buy. And you could even contact your Holo assistant and talk with them and work with them to make this better immediately. As it says here, Holo improves with every piece created, so it's important if you get this tool to use it a lot. Every time you use it more and give it more and more information, as I said before, the AI will learn more about your brand and create things that are personalized for you the absolute best it possibly can. This has been a full Holo AI tutorial. If you enjoyed and you want to check out Holo AI for yourself, click the link down in the description and join at a 70% off discount. I'll see you guys in the next Howard How-Tos video. If you liked this video and found it helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this.